So I've had some people argue with me about us getting into mass adoption. And what people need to understand is it's really not up for debate. It's numbers, it's math, it's happening. It's actually being charted out. In fact, we are growing at a point in crypto that far outpaces the fastest adopted technology ever, and that's the internet. In fact, entering this year, we sat at 516 million crypto users worldwide. That's over 6% of the world. That is into the mass adoption curve. Now, the interesting thing about this is this blows past, well blows past what the internet was doing at that time. And in fact, if we even just follow what the internet did during the following or the next 2 years, right, that this would put us in the end of 2025, we would be at 1.1 billion holders in crypto. This is how we get from that point of a $2.3 trillion market cap to over a $10 trillion market cap and over 10% of the world in crypto. And this 43% annual growth rate that we saw from the internet, it will likely pale in comparison to what we see in crypto. So many people obviously wanted to create generational wealth, advancements in technology. All those things are driving forces for crypto adoption. Not to mention, if you look at these last 2 years, guys, this adoption is from the bear market. It's not that much. It's not that fast. But look at year 5, year 6, where we did or what we did. We accelerated. It's the same thing that we saw all the way back here almost a decade ago, right? The acceleration during the bull market cycle, it really heightens adoption. And this is where you're going to see that huge influx again of capital and users. But this even has been extrapolated further. Now, if you guys are curious, this was all charted out by Raoul Pal, ex-Goldman Sachs exec. And what he did was also show where we're expected to be at 4 billion users. 2030, the levels we're talking about, $100 trillion market cap. Guys, this rate of adoption, it's the fastest adopted technology ever. The internet is just getting left in the dust. And that's why I've been pushing so much. And that's why I've been saying it's so important that people are finding out about crypto early, that people are getting in good projects, that people have this vision of the future. Because this is like when you roll a ball down the hill, right? At first, it's slow. It slowly starts to pick up some speed like we've been seeing over these last few cycles. But eventually, that ball starts rolling extremely fast and no one can catch it. That's where we're headed for right now. It's accelerating. I remember when I started doing content, guys, we were at 4% of the world in crypto. It hasn't even been 2 years. We're at 6%. Where do you think we're going to be by the end of this market cycle? Where do you think the capital is going to go? As there is further push and adoption from enterprises, from institutional money, even just retail money trying to get in and either make a quick buck or create generational wealth, things are going to snowball so quickly. And you'll be happy that you're here now. So I think it's important that people know these numbers, that they pay attention to it, because in the blink of an eye, things are going to get very, very wild in this space. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great rest of your Sunday. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.